And it's funny, when I started my agency as well, as I just said, I left my job, so I had no money coming in. So my back was against the wall. So I had no other option. I had to just pick up the phone and start. And you'll see this on my YouTube video. I just started picking up the phone and calling restaurants. I didn't have time to analyze it for a week or 2 weeks. I just had to get going. And those first cold calls, I didn't know what I was doing. Those first meetings I went into, I had no idea what I was doing. But from learning that and just applying and going through it, that's the best way to learn. You can't learn by watching a video. You learn by skinning the game and actually doing the work. And I think this is something so many people miss. And I'll get, DMs from people and they say, what do you think is better, this niche or this niche? And I'm thinking, I can't give you an answer to that. You have to just test it out. And
wait. You're like, are you like looking through my DMs as well? Like, what niche is like best for me? Like, what can I can't fucking tell you what niche is best for you, man.
Any niche will work.
Niche. Like, my girlfriend gets really mad at me because she says niche, but I say niche, and she just fucking like.
Yeah, like, that's a good debate. The whole video could be debating on this one word, man.
Yeah, exactly. But fuck, man, like all in like the same things. Like, oh, figure out my life for me. I'm like, I'm not Jesus, dude. I can't figure out your life for you. Like, honestly, you gotta do you.
Bro, I'm telling you. I think you know what it is. Like, one of the things I say, is this is where I'm going to be taking my channel and taking it down, is the mindset aspect. Because here's the thing, right? You can, as I said, you can find everything you need within one Google search on how to grow a business, how to do this, how to do that. But people don't do the work. And I used to suffer from this. And people procrastinate. They make excuses as to why they can't start. And the reality of it is, I say there's like 3 things you need, right? One is you need a goal with a plan to make it happen. The second thing is discipline, which is doing what needs to be done, even if you don't feel like it, right? That's a key word, feel. And lastly is build habits that are positive, like waking up on time, doing deep work, and building habits around the actions that get you the result. And it's literally that simple.
It is. That's the biggest thing that I say and what I tell people that has changed my life is I go to bed at the same time. I wake up at the same time.
Yep.
I make my coffee at the same time. I smoke my joint at the same time every morning. I do the same thing, like all systematically. I'm like, I do the things that I need to do in order to get ready for my day. And then I meditate after I smoke my joint. I meditate all at the same time. I eat at the same time every single day. And I also exercise at the same time every day. And I do my work from the same time every single day because it's consistency. As soon as if you don't have control of those 3 basic elements of sleep, of eating, and also of exercise, if you don't have control of those 3 elements in your life, then everything is out of whack. Every single thing is out of whack. So as soon as you get that balance going inside of there, then you can go into much deeper focus and much deeper work. It's so much easier once you systemize your day and just go back to basics. People are trying to find the secret answer and be like, oh, the answer's all like it's all out there. So I'm like, no, it's just gotta just narrow down and just keep
what sales script is it? What DM do I send? It's like there is no secret answer. And I think one thing, Tim Grover, who was Michael Jordan's trainer, he says, thinking is a distraction. So if you have to wake up and think about what you need to do, you're literally giving yourself so much brain fog. So like for myself, and I'm sure you can relate to this, my morning routine, I built a habit out of it. So when I wake up, my alarm goes off, go and turn my alarm off. I put a 5-minute timer on, I stretch, and then I have a coffee. And that gets me going, not forcing myself to do it or all these little hacks. It's just real simple basically at the end of the day. And waking up on time is going to allow you to have a more productive day, which is going to get you better results, which is going to get you a client, which is going to get you money,